disassembly, and reassembly for cleaning. The Micromatic Pro Max fob is engineered to be disassembled by hand. An initial loosening with an adjustable wrench or channel lock may be necessary the first time. Loosen and remove the top cap above the float chamber. Remove the O-ring under the vent plate cap assembly. Unscrew the float chamber glass by turning counterclockwise. The float lifts off the two guideposts. To disassemble the vent release, push down on the vent button and unscrew the hex nut under the vent plate cap. It may be necessary to use small pliers to loosen this nut. The stem assembly holds the vent button and spring in place. To reassemble the fob, start with the vent plate cap. Insert the vent spring into the vent button. Place the vent button in its position on the vent cap and push down. Insert the stem assembly into the vent button and tighten securely. Thread the float chamber glass back onto the lower fob body. Drop the fob float between the two guideposts. Place the vent cap O-ring into the vent cap. Put the locking ring over the vent cap and tighten the assembly onto the top of the fob chamber.